this is Carlos Copado with the California Children's Services, and I'm here today inside the DoubleTree Hotel where the 2016 Annual Transition Conference just took place. Let's take a look. Carlos Copado del programa de California Children's Services. Estamos con
el señor Rufino Vázquez.
Rufino Vázquez, bienvenido. ¿Qué es lo que ha aprendido más de la conferencia de transición hasta el momento?
Bueno, primeramente le doy gracias a todos los involucrados en este programa, en esta conferencia, donde como padres de hijos que han sufrido alguna situación médica, estamos aquí recibiendo información en diferentes áreas. En este caso, vamos mi hijo y yo aquí para recibir información acerca de la transición de joven a adulto, y esto es muy importante para nosotros. Mi hijo ahorita ya no está tomando ningún medicamento, pero tiene citas en el UCLA y necesitamos saber después que se termine el CCS qué pasos tenemos que dar, a qué plan nos va a cubrir para seguir cubriendo las appointments que mi hijo tiene en el UCLA. Y les recomiendo a todos los padres que tienen hijos recibiendo ayuda médica que acuden a estos eventos. Son muy importantes para recibir información en diferentes áreas. He estado escuchando aquí en esta conferencia que nos están dando, que ellos tienen información en diferentes áreas que nosotros necesitamos de acuerdo a la necesidad que se va presentando de nuestros hijos.
Muchas gracias, señor Rufino, y como ya escucharon, es muy importante que vengan. Si pueden venir para el próximo año, háganse. Carlos Copado, estoy aquí con Carlos Campos y su hijo Christopher Campos. ¿Qué es lo que más le ha gustado de las redes sociales? Todo alrededor. Ok, la comida, todo. Y la información, todo. What have you guys enjoyed the most out of the transition fair?
Well, all the information that's being given is something that I did not know. First of all, the surveys you're conducting are very well because you're learning what kids know and don't know and what we as parents have to help them.
Great, yeah, that's vital information that a lot of parents unfortunately don't know that's out there. So.
A lot of good information. I got a lot of questions that got answered today. About from us living here and going to Madera for his appointments because I don't have transportation.
So you guys realize like the maintenance and transportation, all that information. Soy Carlos del programa de California Children's Services y estamos con
María Corona.
María Corona. Gracias por venir a la conferencia de transición del 2016. Y le quería preguntar, ¿qué es lo que más le gustó de la conferencia de transición?
Pues primeramente muchas gracias por invitarnos. Me gustó que tomamos mucha información, una información pues muy beneficiosa para nuestros hijos, más que nada porque son condición especial, pero pues condición especial realmente es una parte que son especialísimos para nosotros los padres. Y aprendí que pues hay muchos beneficios también si uno los sabe aprovechar, asistir a las conferencias, porque si uno asiste.
With the California Children's Services Program, and we are here with JC Aguirre. Tell us, what have you liked the most about the transition fair?
The whole thing. I mean, in Merced, we don't have anything like this at all.
Yeah.
And it's really important to be able to meet with the parents and discuss the future health care of the children and just the future health care of everyone.
Yeah.
And really, to me, the best thing they could do is be able to talk about that and know what they're going to do and plan for it.
Great. And tell us where did you drive all the way from?
Merced County.
Really
it's north of Fresno.
Wow.
2 counties north.
Yeah.
And Atwater, where we're from, and it's about 15 minutes past Merced.
Okay. Thank you for coming, and I know that you're a spokesman of sorts for the children that are in the program, and we want to thank you for coming all the way over here, and we hope to see you maybe in future transition fairs. Okay? Thank you. During the main conference, 3 of our adolescents received the CCS scholarship, which awards them with $1,000 each so they can use it for college. I spoke to all 3 of them and their aspirations. Let's take a look. This is Carlos Copado. I'm here with Jessica Rodriguez, who is our scholarship recipient for 2016. We just wanted to ask you, where are you planning on attending school?
I'm currently attending at CSUB. I'm a sophomore right now, and I'm attending to CSUB.
Stephanie Guzman. And first of all, where are you planning on attending college?
I'm planning on attending UCLA next year.
UCLA?
Alondra
Valdez. And she is our 3rd recipient of the CCS scholarship. And tell us, where do you plan on attending college?
I plan on going to BC for 2 years and then transferring to CSU.
Oh, great. And what are you planning on majoring in, or what are you majoring with?
I want to major in child development. I want to work with children in the hospital and doing art therapy.
Wow, that's really exciting.
I'm going to major in political science.
Political science.
I'm really interested in nutrition, so like dietetics major, becoming a registered dietitian.
Great. Oh, that's really interesting. What do you like most about CCS?
I really like how they help children whenever they need something. They're always there for them. Anything related to health problems and stuff like that. So it's really great, and this program is really great. And everyone really cares for you, and they were really flexible. Since I was in a lot of extracurricular activities, they like scheduled my appointments like how I wanted.
Yeah. Over the years, what have you liked most about the California Children's Services program?
Well, they really helped me a lot because yes, for MRIs.
All right, so thank you very much for your time and congratulations. Let's take a look at some of the keynote speakers and some of the highlights that occurred during the transition fair.
Kern Medical was established in 1867, so we're actually celebrating our 149th year. We're looking forward to 150th year next year. We are, as you may know, a 222-bed hospital facility. We're a public entity and the safety net facility for Kern County. We're also a level 2 trauma center. We're the tertiary referral center for the county. We're an academic medical center, and our capacity is a UCLA affiliate. So we're a busy place. Our mission, to advance the health status of Kern County residents through access to comprehensive outpatient and inpatient care provided in the most dignified and cost-effective manner possible. We offer training of medical professionals. We offer advancement of medical knowledge and collaboration with others who seek to improve the health status of our community. And that's very much why we are here today and working closely with CCS to help accomplish that part of our mission.
Great need to connect with other parts of the state. It's important that the state play a role and be present. So I'm really pleased to be here today. So I have a brief presentation focused on what the state and generally counties in general should be doing as far as helping to improve transitions to adulthood for children with CCS eligible conditions. Tony Polito from Kern County CCS, he's spoken up in Sacramento several times and we've met with him, and this presentation is really about a general idea of what counties can and should do, but I'm sure, knowing Tony, that he's got at least these things going on and probably more. But just for context, that's what these slides are about, an overall statewide perspective.
My name is Cherry Kandambi, and thank you all for coming today. And let me introduce my team members. Over here is Soraya Espinosa, and over there is Kinet Lakim, and all the way at the back, somewhere over there, is Gahan Al-Shaif. We're the research assistants at CCS and also graduate students from California State University, Bakersfield. We're really excited to be here today and present the preliminary results from our research. So to start off with, there you go. To start off with, what is transition planning? I believe all of you will agree with me when I say growing up is not easy. And moving from childhood to adulthood can be challenging for all young adults. So it is even more complicated for young adults with complex medical conditions. So as your kids prepare to move into the adult world, good planning helps them become independent and responsible as adults.
So the Lisa Packard Foundation for Children's Health is a public charity whose goal is to elevate the priority of children's health and to increase the access and quality and accessibility of the healthcare. And they are able to do this because they have many things, I guess, they have their hands in. And one of the things they have done is they have partnered with Stanford to establish a children's hospital up in Palo Alto. And another thing they do is they fund projects and programs that contribute to improving the systems of healthcare for our children. So in 2015, we were recently awarded a research grant from Lisa Packard, which we are really truly grateful for. And with this grant, we will be able to develop a process of assessment and intervention to improve the transition process from pediatric care to adult.
We had a target goal of 307. So we wanted 307 people to participate in our survey. So far, we have 56 participants, which makes us be at 18% of our target goal. We have 48 participants who were adolescents, and then 8 participants that were parents. So we give the parents an opportunity to take the survey in case the child is not capable of taking it, then the parent can take it. And
so let's get to the amazing students. I would like to add that our students are facing medical conditions along with financial and generational barriers. These students represent perseverance, determination, and a belief that hard work can build a better future. The first student is a young woman who comes from Wasco, and she will be attending Bakersfield College this fall as a first-year student. She challenges herself to do her best. Family is very important to her, and she wants to travel the world. At this time, she is pursuing a career as a registered dietitian to give back to her family and community. We are proud to help her along with her journey. Please accept this scholarship award knowing that CCS and your community are behind you. Alondra Valdez. Our second student is a young woman from Delano, also a first-year college student. She is enrolled at UCLA. She has a wonderful family support for her to succeed in her education, and that has inspired her to encourage others that might not have the support she has. She is pursuing a career in political science and Chicano studies. She dreams of creating scholarships in the future to help out the community. Please accept this award knowing that CCS and your community are behind you. Stephanie Guzman. Our third and final student is a young woman from Bakersfield, attending her second year at Cal State University, Bakersfield. She takes pride in the fact that she has risen above obstacles and is the first of her family to attend college. She has a desire to be a role model for her little sister and give back to her parents and community. She believes childhood is a precious, and children should enjoy their childhood instead of worrying about serious or terminal illness. She is pursuing a career towards child, adolescent, and family studies. Please accept this scholarship award knowing that CCS and your community are behind you. Jessica Rodriguez. Okay. Let's all take a moment and congratulate these students for their academic achievements and their futures as leaders in society.